Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. I greet you all according to your time, according to the location or when you are seeing this video. In this video, we are going to be making not Gele together. We have a special guest in the house. We are going to be learning this hair together. So just relax your back and watch how I get the pleat, how I get the knot, how I make everything step by step. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please support your girl. If you have subscribed, may God richly bless you. For those that are yet to subscribe, you have been watching my video, but you did not subscribe, please subscribe. And when you watch the video, please thumbs up for your girl, your beautiful sister. So this very video, this is how I create my pleats. I always tell you people, why you are tying your hair tie for another person, when you have a special guest, when you are doing it for business, when you are doing it for anything but not on yourself, for another person, the hair tie is very, 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 very easy. But it's when you are making it on your own head, it's a little bit difficult, yeah. But it's what you still need to do. You still need to put it to practice and all that. So now I've created my plate. As you guys can see, my special guest for today's beautiful daughter. So it's not easy though for beautiful girl like this to sit down. If you are tying it for young lady, okay. If you are tying it for ladies, mommies, okay. But tying it on a big girl like this, it's not easy though. But as you can see, this is how I create my pleat. This is how the hair tie go. Try to arrange your pleat very well. Just try your possible best, no matter the condition and all that. Just try and create your pleat very well. I have created my pleat, and this hair tie, when I started it, as you can see, it was 50-50. The hair tie was 50-50, yeah. So after I created my pleat, that was the foundation. 50-50 does not really matter in the situation when you are going to say tie it at the front. Anyone can go down, anyone can go up. So this type, it does not really matter if the short one that will go up or the long one. So I created my pleat. If it is adult holding your hair tie for you, your adult will hold it very tight. So, but don't worry, we'll still get something out of it. Just relax. If you are a beginner and you are learning this type of hair tie, this is what you need to do. All you just want is for you to concentrate, watch the video very well, and you will understand it. So I created my pleat from the other 50-50 first. Then I later create pleat from this 50-50. You understand? So I tied it first, but when you are tying knot hair tie like this, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very careful, because if you are not careful, the fitting will not come out. See? So this place, because we did not hold the hair tie very well, because you understand, the big girl was tired and she said, "Mommy, oh, what are you doing?" So that is it. So that is why the hair tie push front. You understand? So now, no problem. So now we are making the knot now. So when you are making this knot, just be careful. Be careful while you are making it, so that if you don't make mistake. When you are tying it for somebody else, it's very easy. It come out neat down while you are doing it on your hair. If you scroll this video down, you will see my channel down. You will say I have tied this hair tie on my head severally, and it's different from this very one. You understand? Because tying it on yourself is difficult. Tying it on a big girl like this is another thing. But tying it on mommy's big ladies in the house, now, that one is still another thing. But this my special guest, she's a big girl of the house, so she's a full supporter of this channel. If you scroll down, you'll see always see her there. She has been there, you know. So that is it. Then now I'm creating my plate. I'm creating my plate again that will bring the beauty out very well. The foundation is the beauty dough, but this is how I create my plate. So you can create your plate in different way, but don't worry, guys. Maybe 2 days or 3 days from now, by special grace of God, I will be making another video where I will create another, where I will use another method to create my plate. You understand? So this is how I create this plate. But if you understand this very well or you don't understand it, please just DM me. DM me, leave your comment at the comment section. I will definitely, because like this very one, somebody send it to me that please, oh ma, I want to make this type of hair on somebody, but it's very difficult for me. I can make it on my head, but I cannot make it on someone's head. So I decided to beg my big girl in the house to allow me to she should allow me to use her for the video. Please, guys, if you don't understand or you need to make a video, just DM me. Don't worry about it. If I don't make the video instantly, I will definitely make the video maybe after 2 or 3 days. You understand? So this is how I get this split. This is how I get it. See it? So now I'm going to the other side. So it depends on how you want the front to look like. But this very one, this is how I just want it to be, so that to be easy for the bigger in the building. You understand? But the hair still come out very nice and beautiful. So when you are watching the video, just take your popcorn, relax your back and watch it very well. The area you don't understand, drop your comment at the comment section. We'll make another video to come out with another gonge style. You understand? Or the same style, but with another hair tie. You guys can see. So this is how I create the other 50 pleats. This is how I created it. So you see the way I fold it inside that very place. Like this very hair tie is very difficult. You can't do it without no pin. But there are ways you can still do it without no pin, but it will not be bigger like this because you need to tie the upper edge. You need to still tie it again so that you will still get another and this type of gele, this type of hair tie. You understand? So for this one, this is the outcome. I'm trying to push the hair back. I'm trying to push the hair back because the thing come out like this because the holding was really a little bit somehow. Because if you I'm asking her if the hair tied, she said yes, but it's not really tied very well like the one you can tie on mummies and big ladies in the house, outside hair. You understand? So now I'm trying to cover the back. Now when you make your hair, if some people have Bob Marley, you can easily leave it out. But now if they don't have anything Bob Marley, or maybe there's net inside, all you just need to do is just for you to cover the back very well. Cover it very well. When you are tying your gele, make sure your gele tight very well. Cover inside, so if you tie your gele on somebody going to party, she will not be panicking. Hey, are you sure if I dance my gele will not lose? And if the gele lose at the party, you know what will become of the person that carried the hair tie. So while you are tying it, you need to be careful very well. Make sure the hair tie tight very well, and make sure you use pin to arrange the back very well also. So that is it for the back. Now we come back. Sorry, guys. Now we come back to the front. See, please, guys, for the hole that you are seeing there, that hole is the hair tie that loose. I've been using this hair tie in different occasion. So it's the hair tie that loose. So that is it. That is it. That is it. So please, guys, as I said before, subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God richly bless you all. Thank you all for your support. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you like the video, just thumbs up for me. Say may God richly bless you all. Bye bye. Now, okay, when you make your hair tie, see what you need to do. Please, while you are tying it, tighten it from the beginning. You tie the ear inside, but after you tight it, the next thing you just need to do is, after you finish the hair, you just need to bring the ear out so that it don't hurt the person. Bring the ear out, and maybe with her earring and all that.